Hello children, welcome to the YouTube channel of Valkin National School, Vasai East. This is Mrs. Mamata Biju, your subject teacher of SST. Today I will be teaching for standard 6th, that is civics, chapter number 4, urban local government bodies. In the previous chapter we have studied the nature of the local government bodies in the rural area. In this chapter we will learn something about the local government institution in the urban areas. This include the Nagar Panchayat, the municipal council and the municipal corporation. Our country has a large number of towns and cities and they are growing rapidly. Villages are growing in towns, towns into cities and cities into metropolises. The rural area neighboring cities are also getting transformed. Now in this paragraph they have explained that in the earlier chapter we have learnt about the local government bodies in the rural area, and in this chapter we will get more information about the local government institution in the urban area, which include Nagar Panchayat, municipal council, municipal corporation, and our country has many towns and cities and it is growing more and more. So small villages are converted into town and then into cities and then into metropolises. 4.1, that is Nagar Panchayat. Now over here they have given the chart that facilities and problem in cities. What all facilities you get in the cities and what all the problems is faced by the people staying in the cities. One is the opportunities for industries and business, then expanding service sectors, then large scale opportunities for jobs, then availability of facilities for entertainment, art, culture, etc. Then there is a shortage of housing, then insufficient space, then traffic congestion, then problem of disposal of waste, increasing crime, then a large proportion of population in slums. So these are all the facilities and the problem faced by the people in the cities. 4.1, Nagar Panchayat. The villages that are in the progress of becoming towns have a Nagar Panchayat. We see some areas which are neither fully rural nor fully urban. In such areas, the local government body is the Nagar Panchayat. As with other local bodies, elections to a Nagar Panchayat are held every 5 years. The elected members choose a president and a vice president from among themselves. Now in this paragraph 4.1 they have said that the village, then small towns which are small village which are in the preparation and converting into towns have a Nagar Panchayat. Now there are some areas which are not fully rural and not fully urban. So in this area the local government body is the Nagar Panchayat and the elections are held every 5 years and the elected member is chosen as president and a vice president from among themselves. The municipal council. The municipal council is the form of the local government body for small cities. Elections to the councils are held every 5 years. The elected representative function as councillor. Now they choose a president from among themselves. The president of the municipal council is the chairman of all its meeting. He controls the working of the council and keeps a watch on the financial administration of the council. Now, in the absence of the president, the vice president looks after the work of the council. Now, there are some functions that are binding on the council. These are known as obligatory function. For example, lighting of public streets, then providing drinking water, public hygiene, sewage disposal, registration of birth, deaths, marriage, etc. Apart from these functions, the municipal council tries to provide additional facilities to the people, and these functions are known as discriminatory function. Planning new public roads and acquiring the necessary land, improving the condition of slums, creating public garden and parks, providing secure shelters for cattle are some of the discriminatory functions of the municipal council. Now over here, now for small cities, municipal council is the local government body. So the elections are held every 5 years and the elected representative function as councillor. Now as per the new act, the president is elected directly by the people. So this president is the chairman of all its meeting, and he takes the responsibility and the working on the financial administration of the council. Now in the absence of the president, the vice president look after all the work. There are some compulsory functions that need to be followed, that I have read that need to be followed, that I have read it in the textbook. Okay, now in municipal council there are some additional facilities to the people which are known as discriminatory functions. Now discriminatory functions like planning new roads, acquiring land, then improving the condition of slums, then creating public garden and parks. So then security shelters for the cattle. So these are all the discriminatory functions. Then municipal corporation. Now I'll show you one chart that is important. The sources of the revenue of the municipal council. How they get sources of the revenue? They get from property tax, then water tax, then education tax, then the tax on markets, then the grants from the state government. Okay, so this is the revenue. Municipal corporation. The local body that provides different services to the people in big cities is called municipal corporation. The first municipal corporation was established at Mumbai. The total number of members in a municipal corporation is determined so as to be in proportion to the population of the city. The election to the corporation are held every 5 years. The elected members are known as corporators. They elect a mayor and a deputy mayor from among themselves. The mayor is considered to be the first citizen of the city. He presides over all the meetings of the corporation. The general body meeting of the corporation is the place where the important issues regarding the problem of the cities are discussed and the decision regarding the development of the cities are taken there. Now in this they have said that first municipal corporation in Maharashtra was established at Mumbai. The total numbers of the members are as per the proportion to the population of the city, and the elections are held every 5 years, and the elected member are known as corporators. Now among themselves they elect mayor and deputy mayor, and the mayor is said to be the first citizen of the city. Now the discussions are based on the important issues like development of the city. Then these issues are discussed in the general body meeting of the corporation. Now, as per the changes in the election process of the municipal corporation, multi-members awards were created. Now, from each members, not less than three and not less than three and not more than five members elected. Now, voters can vote number of members from the ward. The committee The committees of the corporation. The corporation carries out its work through different committees. Some of the important committees are Education Committee, Health Committee, Transport Committee, etc. The corporation carries different committee like Education Committee, Health Committee, Transport Committee. So these are all the corporation committees. Now the administration of the corporation. The municipal commissioner is the head of the administration of the corporation. He is responsible for implementing the decision taken by the corporation. For example, if a corporation takes the decision of putting a ban on the use of plastic bags, then the actual implementation of this policy is done by the commissioner. He also prepares the annual budget of the corporation and the remains present for the general body meeting. Now over here they have explained that the head of this is the municipal commissioner. So his responsibility is to implement and take decisions of putting a ban on use of plastic bags and also prepare the annual budget of the corporation. Okay, so these are all the duties of the municipal commissioner. So students, we have completed this chapter. Hope you all have understood this chapter. Bye students, take care and have a nice day.